Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's unroll the top bar, and as you can see the timer is right here. We've got three different options of 10 and 3 seconds delay, so let me choose 10 seconds delay. It is highlighted, and now from now on after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. You can always turn it off just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and from now on it will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.